Hi and welcome to Barashu 1. I'm going to take you through how I fixed my Sunhokey Prusa ice freeze heated bed. Now I noticed during the print that the print was lifted and I was getting a bit of a smoky smell, but the printer was still working. So I cancelled the print, I took the heated bed off and flipped it over and I found this. So at the button connector where the wire connects, it had started to basically burn out and then eventually burnt through, and it burnt through that sort of protective material that was there as well. So what I've done, I've used my wire clippers to cut back the wire casing, taken a new section, and I'm going to tin that. And then after it's tinned, I'm going to try and solder it to where the button connector was. It was a little bit tricky at first. It didn't really want to take the tinned wire with the solder straight onto the button connector. So what I ended up doing is just putting some solder straight into the old button connector and building up a bit of a pull there. So when I do pull the wire in, it just sort of sticks straight down. So I think I did put a fair bit, and it's actually pretty ugly once the repair is done, but it's completely functional. So you can see by the amount I've put there, just quickly touch the soldering iron, it quickly melts and pulls up, and then it becomes solid again. Okay, so what I did after this, I put it all back together. I'm just going to give you a quick look at how the repair looks, even though it doesn't actually look that great. Oh yeah, and I taped everything up as well. So I put the Kapton tape back in place, and also I didn't want to risk any shorts or anything, any sort of wiring exposed. So after I do finish, I do cover it all up with electrical tape. Now, even after this repair, I've got some spare heated beds on the way because of the stock Sunhokey bed isn't great. But I just wanted to show you that everything was working here. And there it is all taped up. It's pretty much very much of a bodge job, but if you find yourself in the same situation, you might find something like this helpful. Just take the bed off, have a quick investigation, and all you might need is strip a wire back and a blob of solder.